Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back. Alright, so in today's video, I have a very good news for all of us, all my fans, all my potential students who might want to join us to learn, but because of distance and accommodation issue, I have worked so hard to fix this particular issue for most of us. So I'm here to announce to you that our Fashion Academy is 80% ready. We have gotten all the machines, we have rented the apartment, and we are on at the verge of cleaning the house, trying to do industrial cleaning, fixing the wardrobes, the cabinets, and as well bringing in the machines before we open officially for our fashion academy. So if you are interested to learn male clothing from me or from my brand, so this is a very good opportunity for you to join us. I have limited number of students I will take at a session. I think this house should be able to house 10 people per session, right? And each session is 6 months, 6 months training on male clothing. So I will be taking you to a tour of the apartment so that you will see how the apartment looks like without the machines. I'm yet to fix the machines, like I said. So by next week, I'll also make another video to show you guys the fixing and the arrangement so far. So if you are willing to join us, please watch the video to the end and make sure you comment if you're interested in the comment section of this video. Let's get to the video. Bye. Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back. So now in this video, I want to show you or take us to a tour of our new apartment for our male fashion designing fashion academy in Owerri, right here in Owerri at the back of Ibariogwa Hospital Junction, Owerri, Imo State. So this tour is to let you know that we have started accepting students with accommodation, right? So I will take a tour and show you how spacious and how well built this apartment is. So here is the entrance, the corridor, and here we have the toilet for the visitors' toilet, well fixed. Then from here, this is the parlor which we house all the machines that we have. So this is yet an empty house. We are here to bring in the machine, which we have done almost all the machines, and we are here to clean up the place, fix some lights, and bring in the machines. So here is the dining, which could serve as a mini studio for our online trainings for some of us who might not join us physically, join us as well online. So here is the kitchen. The door is locked. We'll go through the other entrance. So let's go to the main building proper. So here is the corridor or the veranda connecting the whole three rooms, right? This place can as well serve for curtain tables where we can, have some curtains and more light to be fixed at this area properly. So let's go to the kitchen. I know the kitchen will be so amazing. Wow, look at how beautiful this kitchen space is. So they are just fixing the cabinets, which will help the students cook, eat, and learn as well. Let's take a look at the back corridor. So the back corridor is let's take a look at it. Okay, sorry. Me on both. All right. So now the back corridor, right? This is the back corridor. So this could be a sit out where we can keep either our weaving machine, our gensets, our gas, our cooker, right? So anything you want to do, this back corridor could be used for it. So this is a very developing area. It's still a very fresh and cool environment, which you can sit out here in the evening to discuss and to do whatsoever. So this door leads to the entrance step come down. This door leads to that entrance step. So let's get to the rooms. So look at how beautiful the kitchen is. So let's get to the general toilet first. So here we have the general toilet, which the students will be using. One of the toilets of the rooms is a three-bedroom apartment. the students will be using it, right? So now, let's take a tour again to the first room. So this is also one of the rooms of the apartment. As you can see, the cabinet, the wardrobe is being fixed. We are working seriously hard to make sure this place is being fixed for you to come and learn and have a very conducive environment. So this is the toilet for this particular room, right? So this toilet is very well fixed as well. It's properly fixed, you know. So this room could house maybe two students or three students, depending on how the bed arrangement could be. I could get spring bed of 2 layers. 4 students would use this room and this toilet for themselves. So now we're also going to have one of the second room as well, which seems to be a bit smaller than the other one. So this could have 3 people inside this room, and the wardrobe as well is also being fixed, right? And it also has an amazing convenience for your toilet and bedroom. It's properly built, it's big enough. It will help to, give you that comfort you crave in a fashion school. So let's get to the third room, which I think will serve me for my studio proper, or my lecture room. So here is the third room. This third room does not have two windows. It has only one window and a very big wardrobe. So this wardrobe is going to be fixed to help house our sewing items, accessories, and some vital equipment will be storing. So here will be our lecture room proper. So those that are coming new, the bulb will be hung somewhere here, while the students will be seated there, and the AC will be mounted somewhere there. The fan will be fixed, and it will be a very well lit place that can be used for studio, right? So, like I said, this area can be the cutting section where we keep maybe 2 tables. One table could be here, and one table could be also there. So curtains will be going on here, while in the parlor will be the sewing machines and everything proper. So I look forward to see you guys, to welcome you to my first ever fashion academy here in the city of Owerri. You are going to learn from one of the best tutors you could see on male clothing. So do well to check the number on this video. If you're interested to come and enroll and learn, you should not waste time to call, book your spot. I actually have limited students I need. I think each session we have only 10 students needed. One person has already paid for her son, which is coming very soon to join us here, right? So I hope to see you guys in class. See you guys soon in Owerri. Bye bye for now.